Hey everybody, welcome to Glenn's Garage on a beautiful spring day. And welcome to the E46 project. Okay, so this is my E46 convertible project, and she's pretty much done. So I thought I might take a few minutes to just walk through all the things I got dealt with and made this a project car. Okay, so mechanically we did a cylinder head cover gasket, pretty common problem, fix that. New thermostat housing, all these intake hoses are new because they were all cracked, new air filter, etc. New oil level sensor was put in, new wheel speed sensors in all four corners. Brakes were just done before I bought it. And so mechanically she's in pretty good shape right now. And of course, as everything was taken apart up here, everything was detailed and cleaned. Oh, new washer pump, new headlights. New tail lights. So cosmetically on the outside, this bumper was all repaired and realigned. I fixed the scrape that was down here and carried on up here. So that's all been touched up and redone. That scrape then carried on over the wheel arch and across the back here. So that has all been redone as well. There was a dent up here that's been fixed and repainted. The back bumper was just a mess, so it was taken off and completely redone and repainted. And on this side of the car, there was a dent down here, so that whole lower section has been repainted. And then the whole thing was a cut and buff, polish and wax, so it's shining pretty good for a 22-year-old car now. Inside, all the seats were out, the leather's all been re-dyed. The stitching in a couple of areas was repaired. So that's all been fixed. The center console was all taken out and refinished. Carpets, of course, were all cleaned and shampooed. The veneers were all taken out and repolished. When the cruise control was fixed, new wheels put on, new tires. The style 162's staggered setup was put on. New rub strip across there because that was all broken and damaged, so there's a new one of those on, repainted as well. So she's pretty much ready to start enjoying now. Okay, so we'll just give her a start up now. And I present no warning lights. So, only thing left to do now, wrap the Ray-Bans and for a drive. Okay, so I may have had a little bit of fun with that video for a change there, but in truth, the question of, is the project finished? No. It's a 22-year-old BMW. It's always going to need stuff doing to it. And in truth, since I actually shot most of that video, I've replaced front control arms and rear shocks on it, and the list will keep going. It's 22 years old, things start to wear out, things dry out and get tired, so it's an ongoing project and it's ongoing maintenance with an old car. If you can live with that, they're an awesome car. So the project continues. Okay, another update, and I'll just give you a quick scan around there. There's the garage, and yes, no BMW. It's been sold. I stuck it on Marketplace a few weeks ago, and it went within like 3 days. Made it just over $2,000 on it, which is good. I mean, assume my labor's free, which it is because it's a project and I enjoy doing it. Mixed feelings. I loved the car, loved it. It was such a pleasure to drive once it was done and sorted. Got lots of compliments on it, on the condition of it, and kind of sad to see it go. If I had the space and the money, I would have kept it for sure. But I need room for another project and I need money for another project, and that's what I'd like to do, is work on something else. So stay tuned. Hopefully soon there'll be a video come out of the next vehicle I pick up, wherever that's from, whatever it is. May or may not be a BMW. In the meantime, if you enjoyed the video, hit like, hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. For those who have subscribed, thank you, appreciate it. And the comments, keep them coming, enjoy answering them. And if you have questions, I try and answer them where I can. So everybody, you have a great day, stay safe, stay tuned, there'll be more projects coming. Thank you.